What if I told you that our entire solar system was built by a cosmic bully? A process so aggressive and relentless that it shaped every planet you see, including our own. This isn't science fiction, it's a brutal reality of cosmic creation called runaway accretion. And it all starts with a single grain of dust. Welcome to Beast Stories. Imagine a vast, swirling disk of gas and dust surrounding a newborn star. Trillions of tiny particles drift aimlessly, but then, something happens. One particle, by sheer luck, becomes slightly larger than its neighbors. Its gravity, though minuscule, is now strong enough to pull in smaller particles. This is gravitational focusing. The more it pulls in, the bigger it gets, and the stronger its gravity becomes. It's a cosmic snowball effect. This growing body, now a planetary embryo, enters a phase of explosive growth. It's no longer just collecting dust, it's devouring everything in its path. Its feeding zone becomes a battlefield. Smaller embryos that cross its orbit are either consumed in violent collisions or flung out of the system entirely. It's a winner-take-all scenario where only the largest survive. This is the heart of runaway accretion, a period of chaotic, exponential growth where a protoplanet's mass can increase 1,000 times in just a few million years. As these giants grow, their gravitational influence becomes immense. They start clearing their orbits, creating empty lanes in the protoplanetary disk. Think of the Kirkwood gaps in the asteroid belt. These are cosmic fossils, empty spaces carved out by Jupiter's immense gravity, demonstrating the power of a dominant planet. The same principle applied to every planet in our solar system. Each one fought for its place, clearing its own path and establishing orbital stability through sheer gravitational might. The losers of this battle were either absorbed, ejected, or shattered into the asteroids and comets we see today. The formation of our solar system wasn't a peaceful, gentle process. It was a violent, competitive free-for-all governed by runaway accretion. From a tiny speck of dust to a planetary behemoth, each planet, including Earth, is a survivor, a testament to this incredible process of gravitational dominance. We exist because our planetary embryo won its cosmic war, but this raises a profound question. If this process is universal, how many other worlds out there have lost this battle? How many potential Earths were destroyed before they even had a chance to form? Let us know what you think in the comments below. We've barely scratched the surface of how planets are born and the violent dynamics that shape them. We're preparing more deep dives into the chaotic history of our cosmos, so make sure you subscribe to Beast Stories and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching.